Thokozani bokhokho nomkholisana kwazendoda lesigogo bathini bathi mawuvula kuvala emzini amadoda u-Auntie Usha, your number one locksmith. Gogo, I always start something I don't finish. Gogo, I always plan and start and do that and do that and do that. Hey Gogo, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. Gogo, please assist me. I don't know what to do anymore. Gogo, you know, this thing was going well, was coming okay, Gogo. Lalela, Gogo, I was on track with my studies. I was on track with my business plan. I was on track with my proposal. I was on track with my exams. I was on track, whatever you may think of. And then you ask yourself, what went wrong? Well, I thought very deep about this because I also suffered the same for some time, and I started getting it right. I didn't get it right, but I've started getting it right when I did two things. Then the process comes smooth. Just putting together or make sure that I do two actions, you know. There were many actions that I've drafted that I wanted to discuss. However, a lot of them, they come to these two. So these two are the ones that if you fail with one, the other one will assist you. Or the other one is a backup. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi uqale something but you can't finish it. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi uzwe ubuhlungu, but when you tell someone and that person goes around telling other people ukuthi ningamboni enje, he's suffering from this, he's suffering from that. I remember when I was deep into alcohol, and I will talk to a person to say, Yazi, this is a problem that I have, and then, you know, just to be uyilahle ngesizulu on that person, you know, thinking what you are talking to your person is going to be between the two of you. Then the next thing, when you're having arguments, you are being called isdagwa, you know, a drunkard. It's painful. And what that did to me, I started again as if I'm doing her a favor, or I'm making her or proving a point of some sort. I started again, you know, and I drank even worse. And she didn't care. She still doesn't, to be quite honest, because it is not her life at the end of the day. It is my life. So that process of me wanting to stop, it was not successful because of these two things that I'm going to mention. Others will say, hey, Gogo, man, I was coming okay with my business plan. I did my research, Gogo. Everything was on point, you know, this and that and that. I was putting together, man, stuff, you know, for myself, you know, compliance, restrictions, everything that Gogo can think of. I have the file. Gogo, the file is this big. A very thick file, Gogo, with all the informations and everything. But I don't know what happened. Gogo, I was committed in my studies. Gogo, lalela. Gogo, ngiyafunda mina. Futhi Gogo ngiyazazi ngihlaniphile. Gogo, angifani nawe, angisona isidomo mina la kugcwele lana izichithiwe la kimi. Ngiyafunda mina Gogo. Ayikabi Gogo, I'm not buying your face, but ngiyafunda mina Gogo. However, Gogo, come exam. Gogo, come exam. Hayi Gogo, ngiba ugogo bathini ku exam. Lalela, ngiba uno domkop. Lalela Gogo, ngiba blank. Angikhumbuli foko. It as if I didn't even study. Ati, you know, there's this lady, she said to me, Gogo, I remember when I went to write an exam, I didn't study, Gogo. The previous day, it was Sunday. Gogo, I was poop drunk. Gogo, bekitagilwe, bekibuhlabile, Gogo. Bekinwile, Gogo. Hey, bengihlabile ayikancane, Gogo. but I went to write the exam and I passed. And Koko was worried with myself. I've asked myself to say, no. There should be a problem. That's why I'm here, Koko. Because it can't be that when I've studied, I didn't drink, I've abstained, lalela Koko, I even ate healthy and everything, but ngifele. But when I'm from Echwaleni to the exam room, ngiphase. Koko, there's something wrong. She did the consultation. We started a process because healing is a process, guys. Healing is not something that you can come today and tomorrow you got it right, sharp, pelele, yonkinde right, pap, right. No, it doesn't work like that. When we started the process, she gave up on a process. So she said to me, Gogo, I had a choice to listen to you or to do what I've done and I've passed, which was to go and drink and pass. But now here's the catch. The exam was now on Thursday. The exam is no longer now on Monday, whereby you sleep drunk yesterday. Remember, if you are drinking on Sunday, you have the whole day to drink on Sunday. However, if you are drinking on Wednesday, you don't have the whole day because probably you were doing something and you started having some time later in the afternoon. Then we are club. Then she went to write an exam on the Thursday. Uti Koko, I was vomiting, I was sweating. Uti Koko, I was dead. I didn't know what was happening with me because of experimenting what I don't know, what I was not sure, which means I had to come back to you, Koko. Koko, what must I do? So I'm going to share with you, we're going to be very short on this video because I just really need to get straight to the point. There's two things that makes us not to achieve things. Because omunye umuntu will say, Koko, you gave me your muti. And I've seen all the instructions on your muti. Instructions were very clear. Uyaphalaza, uyagquma, uyageza, uyakhuluma, uyashisa, uyapeita, uyagquma, jampi prama stove, in the morning, midday, at night, the iskali sakhona is 1 spoon, whatever. Koko, I was coming okay with my muti, but I've shared with somebody ukuthi I'm in a process of something, so I cannot touch alcohol. And Koko, that person is like he was waiting for me to mess up. Oh, Koko. Hi, Koko. I thought I would wake up in the morning and steam. I couldn't. I decided, no, okay, it's fine. I've postponed it for later. Later, no, I couldn't do it. Koko, what is happening? Right. There's two things that we're going to share with you today that makes things. Yes, we can say it's witchcraft and everything. But guys, you must remember, not everything is witchcraft. No, not everything is witchcraft. You know, you cannot continue to do something wrong, then you blame witchcraft. You know, I always say that 99% of the people that are alcoholics is not witchcraft. It's only 1% of people who are challenged, abaloyiwe ukuthi baphuze kakhulu. I know it from experience. I'm also one of the people who used to blame witchcraft, to say there's something wrong, man. You know, I remember I used to feel good about lying to myself. When I'm on my way to home, there's something that calls my name. I don't know. It's like every bottle store was calling my name. Go. And I said to myself, no, it's witchcraft. But how then did I manage to stop without getting help traditionally? So 99% of the time, it's not witchcraft, it's ourselves. So these two things, again, will also make you realize, because these two things, they take you back to yourself. If you can exercise these two things, you will see Guti, they're just pointing back to you. The light just goes back to you. So, one, this one, I've done a video about it actually before, of why things are not going well. Guys, we talk too much. The first thing that we mess up with is this thing, our mouth. We talk too much. That is the first thing that that makes us not to achieve things. When obviously you cannot be silenced with everything, but not everyone must know that you are applying for a job. Not everyone must know that you are working on something. Not everyone must know that you are on a treatment. Not everyone must know what is it that you want to achieve. No, you can't. You can't. Because we end up telling exactly the wrong people, exactly the same people that do not want to see us happy. Guys, we are surrounded by people who do not want to see us progressing in life. When you are sharing wherever where you are staying, or you are staying with somebody, but you know deep down you don't trust that person, but you are telling them ukuthi ngisageza igazi, ngisafuna ukuphalaza, ngisafuna ukupeyita, ngifuna ukuba strong, ngifuna ukuvula into zami and everything, and then you take your stuff, you put into your wardrobe, and then that person can see it and everything. Do you think when you leave, that person will just look at those things and bless those things and take them? Remember, that's your secret enemy. Do you think that person will take those things and pray for them to say, God, please bless this Muti to work for him? Oh, God, please bless his plans to whatever? No, you are lying to yourself. It's not Muti that didn't work for you. It's not the process that you are busy with that doesn't work for you. It is not the fact that you are not studying. It's the fact that you told somebody all wrong. It's not the fact that you are not a good business person. No, you have shared your ideas with somebody on a ndlebe that are poisonous. Somebody, when they hear, you know these people that when you tell them ukuthi, let's say they know umuntu wako, you understand? Whenever you tell them about umuntu wako, they've got something negative to tell you. Whenever you raise something about your partner, there's this negative vibes that you can feel, but you are in denial ukuthi this thing is happening. There are people who don't want to see you happy. Let's say right now you are going through difficult times into your relationship or at work or everywhere, and there's this one or two people that you know ukuthi you always tell them ukuthi hey kuyabheda endlini, hey nibizana bani bosisi ontase yo ntombo kuyabheda, izinto azihambi kahle endlini, right? Tomorrow just go to them and say yo yes, my partner bought me flowers. Just go and lie to them. Just tell them all the good things that you wish for and tell it as if it's happening. Kuthi yo, I'm so happy. Yazi, I've never thought umuntu angashintsha. Hey, waze washintsha umuntu. Just lying. Just lie to them. And analyze ukuthi what advice do they give you. Or you have a business that is struggling. Your business lalela is struggling, and you have these big five people that you always tell ukuthi hey bafethu man, I'm struggling. Go to those people that you always borrow money for petrol, borrow money to stock. Those people that you always bother, go to them and say yeah lalela Mbata, I'm going to pay you very soon. My business is coming okay. Lalela Mthiya, izinto zihamba ngononiwe. Lalela ngigijima ku railway lane manje. I'm on a not a Gautrain, I'm on a bullet train. AK-47 bullet train. Ngihamba ngolayini onzima kabi. Things are opening up. I've just got a call. I've got this. Things are happening within a month. I'll be signing off a big check of my life, and tell me, out of those big five people that you're going to tell, that you're going to lie to, using this thing. This thing can destroy you. This thing can destroy a person, another person. Sometimes it's things that we are saying about ourselves and things that we are saying to others. Then listen to me. Analyze. Jonga. Oguti, what are they going to say? And tell me if those people, out of 5, out of 2, if both of them are happy, or only one or none of them are happy. Just go and test that. That has nothing to do with Muti. It's the test that you can experiment yourself. Yomselufu at home, mahala, free. P. I'm giving to you. And tell me, what are you getting out of those people? And whatever results that you are getting that are going to hurt you or that are going to show you the true colors, and just flip those results. Flip your action. Just flip your action. How do you flip your action? You shut up. You shut up. There's no one who doesn't have anyone to talk to. You must be selective. You now know who to talk to. You twist, flip, and you'll see the difference. Last one. The second one is very sensitive. And I'm going to talk about it again on the second one on a different way. Ink. 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 The second one. Ink is this thing that resides, that you put inside of this, so that and then it goes down this pipe, and then you use this other pipe to be able to handle it, hold it. Then it goes down to this point, it's called a boil point, and then so that you are able to write with. Where do you write? You write on the piece of paper. And you write on the piece of paper, like I did here. The second thing is, if you want things to happen, if you want to have, in the midst of people that you can trust, you can talk to, but if you want this one person, let's call him a person, or let's call it a person or a thing. It's a Dear Diary. Dear Diary, it's a name and surname to me. We grew up listening to stories of Dear Diary. We used to think that women who are writing their emotions on the diary, they psychologically banokusangananyana, banokuhlanyanyana, azithi mzala, azithi khazini, kanti we were wrong. Because what I have learned then, and I can still prove it now, ukuthi people that I knew growing up, they were using diaries, they're using something right on. Emotionally, you'll never do anything to them. You can hurt them, but they'll never give you a satisfaction of what you want to achieve in seeing them hurt. That's why when you go through their diaries, the pages, you can see they were sweating, there were drops of tears falling into those diaries, because that's where they confide. Because a diary, that's why this thing is a secret book. It's not something that somebody can just open it and read it through, unless it's an office diary. But the second part that I want to explain is, there is power in writing your things down. Introduce yourself in these two things. 1, shut up. 2, whatever you wanted to say, go write it down. Because it satisfies you. Whether you're talking about the prayers and the scriptures that you are going to read for your life to turn around, whether you are talking about muti or you are going to embark yourself on a spiritual journey, whatever that you are going to do, if you introduce yourself into scrape and shut up, speak to your pen and paper, there's power in that. There is no place that can give you or can encourage you to do more, to do research, to do what, rather than writing things down. Not typing, writing them down. There's something that happens when you write things down. Bala phansi. Yes, we're getting excited, you know. Yeah, these private schools are nice. My child is using a tablet. Eskoleni. My child, what. Hey, lalela, whether you call it a Bantu education or what, there was a reason for a child to be taught how to write your name, how to write Gogo Batini Mbata. Write down as one of the lessons that a child has been taught at school when it comes to writing. There was a reason behind that. It has nothing to do with apartheid. No. It has nothing to do with Bantu education. No. Not everything is about apartheid. Not everything is about Muti. One of the things that was being tested there is the ability of a child to say, does this child ready to go to the next grade? That's the only thing that can from the first grade or from grade 1 to grade 2, it is next to impossible for a child to go to grade 2 if the child cannot write their name, because it says a lot about things that a child could never be able to write if ever they can jump this one thing. Tell me if I've spoken about umuthi anyway, to say goza gogo bathini mbathu uzokupeyita uzokunika inyoka uzokunika ama-boys what. No, I'm talking about two things: shutting up and writing things down. I can go all over and over many things about writing things down, but trust me when I say to you, it works. It works. Mina, I'm a man of journals. Hey, lalela, I've got diaries, I've got journals. In the car, I've got a pen and paper. Lalela, in my bag, in my traveling bag, I've got it. Everywhere I go, I have it, because I prefer writing things down, because writing things down, it's a double hard drive. Whether I write it here or I write it here, the bottom line is it's here. But if I write it here, I type it on this popo, chances are that I cannot be able to access that phone. Somebody will jump and say, yeah, but even the diary, Coco, you can lose it. But if something was written down and you gave yourself that moment of, let me write this thing that I'm going to do, you write it down. That silence while you are communicating from your brain, transferring, engraving into the book, chances of forgetting that are very slim. That's why I said if I can go back to school, I can pass. This time around, no, I can pass. I can pass. Trust me, this time around I can pass. Because I now understand when we were told. I remember Lipshe. She used to teach us isiZulu and biology. I remember once she said, one of the ways of studying is to write what you are reading. You read, you write that sentence. You read, you write that sentence. And that works. Then I thought, I wouldn't say this, but I thought Ageko right. But now I can tell was right. So if you can do those two things, If you can introduce yourself in those two things, lalela, your wealth is safe. Lalela, your secret wealth is safe. Because you don't have to tell everybody until you tell it to the wrong person. I'm responding to this one person that called me today and really say, no, gogo mhlambe umuntu awusebenzi. I can tell ukuthi it's not that umuntu awusebenzi. They talk too much. You need to protect your wealth. You need to protect your wealth and protect your source of income. How many ladies have told their friends, ukuthi, hey, umuntu wami uyangibhekela, ay umuntu wami uyayifaka imali. Hey, umuntu wami uyangizama. Yazi, ever since I've dated him, things are fine. How many that you are still together with that person after telling other people about your relationship? When you went to Coco Batini Bata gave you something, you are selling maybe keep or whatever. But everybody now knows what when you are using something from Coco Batini Bata, everybody can see it. No. Zip. If you can't zip, tunga, stitch your mouth. Or get a super glue if your mouth doesn't have filter. If you are feeling excited, get a book. Mina, if I forgot my diary or my journal, I buy a scrapbook. I remember when I was in Turkey, I forgot my my diary. I bought a small book at the stationery shop. A small hardcover book. Because all I needed is to talk. I wanted to talk. I was very excited of things I got in Turkey. I wanted to speak. But the only thing I can speak with, it was jotting it down. Bala baba, bala, right, scrive. Please, let's protect everything that we have. So I'm saying, I'm getting a call being told to say, Gogo, it seems like you need to change the treatment. Guys, I know what I'm giving you. If I give you something, if I say this will work, I know what I'm talking about. And I can give you two people exactly the same muti, but they've got totally different problems. But I know which muti will do what on this one because of this is a situation they're faced with. This is science. This is mathematics. I know the formula. You can solve X on many ways and ending up solving the X, the same as muti. So if you have something that you are doing, that you want to do, or if you want to be successful, if you want to prosper in life, if you want to make it in life, whatever, anything that you can think of, there's two things that you need to do. That's it. That's all you need. That's all you need. And then you will stop blaming, hi, Gogo Muti doesn't work. Hi, Gogo this. Hi, Gogo this. You know, we are good in complaining. Somebody will pay you and think now that they paid you, which means now you are wealthy. Through the 300 rand that they've paid you for Uhlola and you gave them something. You know, Gogo, but I've paid you, Gogo. But this thing's not happening. Things are still quiet and everything. Still, you are going around and telling exactly the same person, oh, hey, yes, this muti is like it's not working. I don't know what's wrong with me because even muti is not working. It's because you told the same person that has a poisonous ears, Uguti, you are using something. That's why things are not working for you. It has nothing to do with muti. It has everything to do with you. Uya papa. You speak too much. Je prata fear. So you can hear, Uguti, I'm progressing with my Africans. Remember, you're talking too much. Je prata fear. I've taught you. You kote kotayo. Engai kote kahlera in Africans. Kot vaje kot. Muni kot ni kahle. I'm teaching you Africans as well. So we need to be together in this thing. So life is not only about muti. We need these conversations so that at the end of the day, we do things the right way. Not my way, not your way, the right way, the correct way. Salwa sendo to Coco Batini Batuma Vulak Valem Zema, Auntie Usha, your number one locksmith. Till next time, Tozan.